Yo, what's up, everybody? Evil Crossover, we're back with another one, and we're back with another Fanatics clearance deal. Now, if you saw my other video, I got the fitted for dirt cheap, only $13.49. And now we're following up with a jersey, and some more videos will be with some jerseys too. These are NFL jerseys that we're getting into. Now, I did cop them for dirt cheap, but definitely go ahead, hit them follows, hit them likes, hit them shares. Let me know in the comments if you did get any jerseys on the Fanatics deal. Now, was insane. Up to 90% off on jerseys. Now, I'm a sports guy. I follow the Giants because I live in New York. But if you live in New York, and if you're a New Yorker, you're down with the colors of the jerseys, right? You always got a matching fitted, some sneakers. So I do have sneakers that are going to match the jersey that I'm about to show you that I got for dirt cheap. And it was really on. It was so dirt cheap that I had to get it. If you like the NFL, you watch football, you like certain players too. I do like the certain player that actually ended up on the Giants. Had a short little stint as a played a couple games until Father Time took over. If you know, you know. Leave a comment if you know who I'm talking about. But it was so dirt cheap. So I got it from Fanatics. Some people say that the delivery sucks on Fanatics. I haven't had any issues, but I would say that the way they come in is in bags for these jerseys. Now the hats come in boxes, but the jerseys themselves they come in these flat bags. I guess to save costs. But if it's a over $100 and something jersey and they come in these bags, I feel like it should come a little bit more protected than that. But it is what it is. And I got the jersey for so cheap that I really, I don't mind at this point. So they end up coming in bags. I actually ended up opening the bag of the jersey, but we're going to take a look and see what I end up getting. So I end up getting the Russell Wilson Bronco jersey, game jersey, orange and blue, Nike game jersey. And look how nice this is. Now, you won't even believe how much I got it for. And again, official tissue right from Fanatics. We got the tag here. Boom. Love the stitching on the NFL logo here. Looks sewn together pretty good. And it's a typical jersey. Nike sign right there. Nike check. Another Nike check on this side. The number 3. Boom, boom. And we got the Wilson here. Got this in a size large, which should fit me well. And if it doesn't, it's a little big. It's always good to have it in the cold, on those cold days. And look at that, size large. Stitching is great. You know, with these jerseys, the lettering's not that great because it's not like a stitch letter. But from the price I'm going to tell you in a second here for this jersey and the other jerseys when I follow up with these next videos, you're going to be like, wow. So for this Russell Wilson jersey, and of course, people might say in the comments, well, they're not playing for the team. If you're just a sports fan in general, and again, if you have clothes or sneakers and hats that match these colors, you're not going to mind if what players on the back of the jersey. Again, all these players nowadays go from team to team, so you're really buying it for the team and not the person on the back, only unless you're really a big fan of the person, which I am a fan of Russell Wilson. And I wish he worked out in New York, but when that jersey comes on sale on Fanatics, I'm definitely gonna get a Russell Wilson Giants jersey, no doubt about that. But I got this for, guys, $7.19. $7.19 for this Broncos jersey. You can't beat it. It says $130 for this jersey, and they would get $130, but not from me. I'm here about the deals. So if you're definitely looking for deals, you're all about that deal life, definitely hit the follow, hit them likes. Let me know in the comments if you end up getting any Fanatics jerseys on clearance super cheap. $7.19. I think this was like $7.99 or something like that, or $8.99. And I must have had like a discount code or something, or some fan cash or something to bring it down to $7.19. But or maybe it was $7.19. I don't even know. I bought so many things on sale that I'm going to show you in the next videos. But $7.19, you can't beat that. So definitely hit the follow for more clearance deals, Fanatics. Let me know if you got anything from that sale. We'll definitely catch you on the next one. Peace.